Hi everyone, it's Linda, and I thought I would put a little announcement here on my YouTube page because many people have wondered if I'm going to continue doing the Weight Watchers healthy videos. And yes, I am. I've had to take a little break because I had surgery a couple months ago, and on my wrist I had to have reconstruction done to my thumb area, and they had to take a tendon here and rebuild my whole wrist here. Anyway, so I haven't been able to lift things, and I'm going through occupational therapy right now, and I'm getting a lot better. So as soon as I can be able to put up the equipment, it takes a lot of work, and it's kind of, heavy setting it all up. Then I plan to do some more cooking videos because I really do miss doing them. I have tried a couple new ones that I have tweaked that I really like, that are low in Weight Watcher points and very healthy and simple to do. So I will be hopefully doing them maybe next week if I can get my husband to set up all of my video equipment and stuff in our dining room and kitchen where I do it all. So stay tuned. Hopefully a video will be coming next week. And I want to thank you all for your prayers. Many of you that did know what I was going through. And it was a painful surgery at the beginning, but I'm so glad I had it done. I was in so much pain the last 4 years from it, from a fall I had a few years ago. Anyway, God bless you all. Stay healthy through this whole thing. And I can see light at the end of the tunnel now. And I've been very busy, though, with my Etsy shop. And because I didn't injure my right hand, so I can sew. And I've been very creative in that part, keeping my hands busy so I don't eat, and keeping my weight off that I've lost on Weight Watchers, almost 80 pounds. So I hope this encourages you. That's the only reason I do this. I have almost 1,000 subscribers now, which is amazing. I've only been doing this for a year. I don't make any money from it. I just want to be a blessing. Maybe someday I'll have enough subscribers that I might. If not, it's fine. And if you would like the recipes, you can also go to my website at amusinghealthyrecipe.com. That's amusinghealthyrecipe.com. And when you go to my website, you will see all of my recipes in a PDF form so you can print them out. There also you will see links to all the videos too that you can watch from there. And plus I have a little blog that I write in whenever I post a new video. Then I also post a new blog, however they say that. But I hope you're staying well. And if you have any ideas of a recipe that you would like me to try to create, excuse me, or to tweak to make it lower in points, send me a message through my website and I will look into it, because I'm always encouraged to try new ones, because after doing 80, I'm kind of looking around for new ideas. And so you stay healthy, and God bless you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Hopefully next week I'll get a video up, if not the following week. Thank you. You have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Bye.